Samsung calls Apple old. The Samsung launch party seems incomplete without Apple bashing ads, and it came as a bit of a surprise that Samsung had not launched any combative television commercials for Samsung Galaxy S4 until now. The Korean smartphone maker has launched a new television commercial that talks about the new features in the Galaxy S4 and mocks Apple iPhone 5. The ad even goes on to state that some smartphones are smarter than others. The ad begins with a graduation party taking place, and people seem to be enjoying food and jumping into the pool. In the party, the students are shown using the Samsung Galaxy S4 while their parents and teachers are shown using the iPhone. The television unfolds to demonstrate the air gesture feature as the person eating a juicy piece of ribs is able to answer the call by merely waving at the device. Also, the pictures clicked at the graduation party are shared between devices using the S-Beam functionality of the Galaxy S4. It further goes on to how the Samsung Galaxy S4 can control a HD TV and recommend TV shows to you. What do you think about this new ad from Samsung? Write in your reviews.